Kripa.
Today we're making a simple, yummy and sweet treat.
It's Paneer Kheer, and now let's take a look into the ingredients. You'll need 3 cups of milk, half cup of crumbled paneer and a tablespoon of ghee.
You'll also need 4 tablespoons of jaggery, 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a few chopped nuts. Here we have almonds, pistachios, and cashews.
Let's start making the Paneer Kheer. Add in a tablespoon of ghee.
Once heated, let's add in our nuts.
So beautifully roasted. Let's add in the milk now.
Let's wait until the milk boils now. We have homemade paneer crumbled easily.
If it's a store-bought one, you can better grate it. Now the milk has come to a boil. Let's simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes.
You also have to keep stirring it occasionally. Time to add our crumbled paneer and cook for 2 more minutes.
Add in 1/8 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cardamom powder is entirely optional.
So good!
Yeah, and it looks so yummy too. It's time to add 4 tablespoons of jaggery. We always try to avoid white sugar and always prefer to add jaggery. If you need, you can add white sugar too.
It's been 5 minutes after we added the jaggery. It's almost ready. For a person with a sweet tooth, you can add up to 6 tablespoons of jaggery or sugar.
But you know what, Purna? It's always better to add very less sugar.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom!
So yummy.